Hello there, welcome to Wally Bra. And I just bought a new toy. But it's kind of a new toy to replace an old toy. I used to have this old jet box planer, and although it was a good little tool and it did a good job and what have you, it got a bit ropey. So I just bought another sight planer, and it's more for backup more than anything, because I've got me over and under and what have you. But I thought, let's do kind of an unboxing, shall we? They seem popular. Wow. So, here it is. And it's heavy. You know, typical kind of box plane, a bit like the, I suppose the DeWalt version, but was it the DW735 and 736? Then you've got Makita make one as well. We're in France, and Metabo is quite a popular brand here. And this particular one was quite good value, I think. It's 419 euros, whereas the equivalent DeWalt for me was about 600 to 700 euros. So this I bought the Metabo instead. And it's got quite good reviews. I was going to buy one of these before, and I kind of refrained from it because the knives in this machine, I thought they're a little bit thin. And also didn't look particularly resharpenable, and I tend to resharpen all my knives. My old jet one, these are the plane knives from my old jet planer. Now these planer knives are about 3mm thick, which is kind of a bit of a standard thickness for this size of thing. And these are only 1mm thick. The other thing I didn't like about it was, if you buy the Metabo or the replacement Metabo knives for this, the double-edged, they're about 90 euros per set, and that's expensive. I have found them from AliExpress and what have you for about, I think it was about 18 euros a set. So if I think ahead, I'll buy a few of those and I'll keep them to one side. You can sharpen these to an extent, but nowhere near as much as you can these thicker jet type planer knives. Anyway, without further ado, let's open it up, shall we? I want to see what's in there. Well, I hope it's a planer. Oh, exciting. A big toy. So, get rid of these old straps first. Now, this isn't going to be another unedited video, so please forgive me if I make some mistakes or do something stupid. I hope not, but it can happen. So, alright, first of all, you get your manual. I might read that, might not. Probably won't. A push stick. Not quite certain how a push stick that's designed for a table saw is going to be much good on a planer. But there you go, you get a push stick. I reckon make a nasty mess to get that caught on a planer knives. What have we got in here? There's another funny hook type tool. Not certain what that is for, but it's obviously for something. Usual token polystyrene. And I'm going to have to try and lift this out. Oh, how am I going to do that? It looks heavy. Right. No further ado, I'm going to go on the top. I'm sorry you have to look at my ankles. There you go. That wasn't too bad, was it? Did bang my knee though. Get old strap out of the way. Right, what we got? We have got a planer. Hey. Whew. I was getting a bit worried there. I thought it was going to be something like when you a bit of old carpet sold by the gypsies where they cut the square out in the middle. But no, we've got a planer. So that's a good sign. That's a good start. Let's just cut all that off. Now this particular plane is 1800 watt, it's a brushed motor, I'm pretty certain it's got induction. I know my last one wasn't. But one of the reasons I wanted this particular planer, a bit like the DeWalt, you can knock the head off. So on the jet, as the threads on the rise and fall wore, they become slack. What you found was happening is the actual head would ride up and down over the wood as you're playing through. So it wasn't very accurate after, after a bit of use. But this one has this lever here. You pull it across and it locks it off. So I think that's quite a benefit, really. I'll have to do a proper review of this because it's really just an unboxing. But let's see what we get. We'll start it up though, shall we? Just see what's going on. I'll make sure there's no bits of cardboard stuck in it. And other weird stuff. That's obviously to do with, I'll say obviously, that's to do with, dust extraction. Yeah, you get your dust extraction port that's got on the back. It's fairly good size because my old jet one, that was a really tiny hole, and you can only really put a hoover on it, a shop vac on it. Well, it wasn't man enough to remove that volume of material when you have that amount of width. It's all about the girth, you know, all about the girth. So, another bit of polystyrene in there. Just all down. Oh, right. There you go. That's down, up, squashing with polystyrene. What else is there? Anything else that should be there? In the way of me starting her up? Right, what I'm going to do is, I ain't plugged in yet, so that's good. I'm going to make sure there's no obstructions on the cutter block, make sure I don't cut the fingers either. On the top, on the bottom. Roller, roller, roller. Oh, there you go, they're nice. There. Well, it's not. Yep, no obstruction there. And if I bring it in, you can see the cutter block and then the reflection. It's all shiny. All shiny. Can you see that? Just like to see the cutter block in there. So what you'll do is make sure there's nothing in there that can jam up when you turn it on for the first time, which there isn't. That's fine. So anyway, let's start her up. I hope it's not going to go bang. Right, you've got two choices of machine, I just noticed. You can use your dust extractor port, but also it has a chute on the back. That little slot there throws all the wood out. Which is quite handy. If you're on site and you ain't got facilities for dust extraction, or chip extraction, I like to call it. And down, so anti-clockwise for down. You have a depth of cut meter on the front here, tell you how much you're taking off at any one time. I imagine it works on the rollers. Yeah, I think it do anyway. That's quite interesting. Didn't have that on the jet. And on the side here, you have another. Oh, that's so you can. There's a adjuster on the side here, so you lock it off at different heights, so you can do repeated thicknesses. So let's find a bit of wood. Right, just turn on. Oh, scary. I'm gonna whack a bit of wood for it. That'll do. See that man, just old tape with old bit of oak. Bring it down. It's gonna be about 30 odd mil. Well, it'll be 27, that will be on it. So put it down about 27 if you set it up correctly. That's everything you want. Need to set this up. Let's see what happens. Noisy, ain't too bad at all to be fair. Well, it works. That'll rub his old bit of oak. and actually the finish is actually really, really smooth. That is actually smoother than my over and under. Now it's probably because it's the actual cutter block that's rotating at a much faster RPM compared with my over and under. And as you see, the transport speed was actually quite quick actually. This is only a 2-knife cutter block in comparison to my over and under planer, which is a 3-knife cutter block. Anyway, that is going to be an unedited video again. And if you'd be most kind, click like and subscribe. And maybe the little bell icon, because then you get a warm, fuzzy feeling in your pocket. And that'll be me uploading another video. What's that? Anyway, thanks for watching.